So this was the Airbnb that I stayed at when I was at New Orleans. It's on the 10th floor of 925 Common Street. Very nice Airbnb, I must say. Has an electronic lock. Key fobs get you access to the fitness center on the 4th floor and the penthouse on the top floor. I'll show you the penthouse on the top floor along with the roofside pool. You can't actually go into the penthouse, but you can see the outside and the pool area, and you have access to those. This is the master bedroom. Very nice bed. Very comfortable and cozy. The central air conditioning works extremely well. This door holds the boiler. I just find it very odd how there's a boiler inside the Airbnb. You would think it'd be on the outside or somewhere else. But the master bedroom comes with 2 closets. They also furnish an ironing board and an iron for me. And another closet. Now the view from here is simply incredible. Let me show you. Parking garage, and this is downtown looking towards Common Street and Loyola Avenue. That way I believe is Canal Street, and there's also a crane going up. These windows, however, they don't open. It's all central air controlled. There's a fan also that provides a lot of circulation. Now here's the bathroom. The bathroom is very cozy. This door is locked. I'm not exactly sure what it holds or what it held. A full shower, no bath. There's the mirror, and there's me, hello. Also gave us some soaps and shampoos, extra towels and toilet paper, a hair dryer. The toilet also has an eco flush setting and a full flush setting. 2 other utility drawers for your use. Here's the, I believe is the furnace or the air conditioning unit. Yeah, HVAC, so heating, ventilation, and cooling. The freezer is very cool. Full fridge. Oh, I forgot to take my water bottle out. That'll be handy when I leave. Got a full sink along with full pots and pans, knives for you to use. The cabinets are very spacious, although they've stocked them with your basic kitchenware. They also have a microwave, coffee machine, a water kettle, electric water kettle, dishwasher if you ever want to use a dishwasher, oven, an electric stove. And there's also some more utensils here too. They thought of everything here. They even got a can opener and some aluminum foil and plastic wrap if you want to save some food. This one doesn't open. Trash can. Some information on the building amenities. Nice pink couch. I love this couch. It's very comfortable. The TV worked great with the multiple stations. It's cable TV. Nice artwork and decor. High ceilings. Very beautiful Airbnb. And I'll just leave you off on with this view. The same view as from the master bedroom, but here you get a more of a look of Loyola Avenue and the common street. But anyway, I'm going to take you up to the penthouse level now and show you the roof. And as well as say goodbye to this Airbnb that I stayed at. Just want to make sure I turn off all the lights and electricity so I don't waste power for the next person who's coming in here. All right, I'll be back once I ride the elevator to the penthouse. Okay, so I just took the elevator to the penthouse, and this is an incredible view that's outside of the Airbnb. So the Airbnb came with a rooftop access. Here's downtown New Orleans. It's a nice rooftop pool here. Down there is Canal Street. There's even a grilling area over here. View of the Sheraton and Marriott in the distance. Nice flowers on the rooftop here too. A nice church in the background there. This, I believe, is a no, this is the penthouse suite. Doesn't come with the Airbnb though. But yeah, that's the penthouse and the rooftop access with the rooftop pool. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Airbnb. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It was a very nice place for my stay.